to another recipe from me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. Now it's Sunday, and anyone who knows me knows that on a Sunday I cook for the folks. Of course mum's not around anymore, but there's still dad to do. And of course I'm trying to get my dad to be a vegan, traditional Jamaican man. I'm trying to make him into a vegan. He's going with it really, he's having lots of health problems, so he's listening to me at last. Today I'm going to be cooking rice and peas, but instead of rice I'm going to be cooking it with red quinoa and of course the normal red kidney beans and coconut cream and all that good stuff. But I've just replaced the brown rice with quinoa. So my cousin Sheila is over here from Jamaica, and she's got my nephew Nelson. So we're going to have family dinner. I'm going to bring my food. And instead of the chicken and all that sort of stuff people normally have, I'm going to have dhal. I'm going to make dhal made of red lentils. So let's get into it. Oh, before I get into it, so I also made, I've made it already actually, I made a fruit cake, but what I used to sweeten it was with dates and with figs. Came out really, really good. So part of today's dinner will be my fruit cake. So I've made it already, but I'll show you how I made this lovely cake later on in my other videos. The coleslaw that you'll see at the end is coleslaw that I made with lemon, lime and pepper. I think I did an early version of how I do my coleslaw. So basically I made a Caribbean Sunday dinner with alternatives, lots of alternatives. Apart from the chicken, so there's no chicken, I've replaced the chicken with dhal. First of all, I washed my red quinoa. I had already soaked my kidney beans overnight and then I boiled it. And then I added some flavours, so some onions and some sweet peppers and some garlic just to give it some flavour. Because my dad is diabetic and at the age he is, and because salt's not great, I didn't add salt. So when I'm adding all this other stuff, it's really to add the flavour. And if there's anybody at the dinner table today that must have salt, they can add salt themselves. So I'm not adding any salt to my rice and peas or quinoa and peas. So I've done that. I've made my rice and peas, I boiled it. Oh, and I've added some coconut milk to give it some flavour and some more vibes, makes it kind of smooth and creamy. And of course, and in my garden I've got some fresh thyme, which I've added as well. So my rice and peas is pretty much done. I'm letting it cook down. And again, with all these things, add your seasoning, but this is how I seasoned it. And then dhal is really simple. There are millions of recipes, but I'm doing my dhal without any oil. So what I do, I try and fry without oil. And if I'm gonna add oil, which is coconut oil at the end, which is the best oil ever. So coconut oil. So anyway, I've gone ahead of myself. Wash the lentils, put that aside. In that water, I'm gonna add all my seasoning, cumin, coriander. Then onions, peppers, garlic, and I'm going to sweat it down and then cook it down till it's all soft. Then I'm going to add my dhal. Then I'm going to add in maybe a pint of a vegetable stock, which is delish, and then cover it, leave it to cook. Stir it because the pot might catch at the bottom, and that's it really. And then off I go to Lewisham to see how it all goes. So guys, I have been busy all week singing as usual, but I'm not going to show you any singing things today. All I can sing to you, you bring the sun out. I sang that, when did I sing that? To warm my life up, to make my love grow every day. I always sing that song. You bring the stars out. So guys, this is me this week, Caribbean Sunday dinner, but made vegan with a few little extra touches. My cake was delicious, that always does it. So even if they kind of like, I'm not sure about all of this, it's simple, it's easy, and it's healthy. So give it a try guys, and you will be healthier and happier. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and guess what? I'm signing out.